children. Good morning. Children, now I am going to tell you about workbook exercises. Children, take out your workbooks, open page number 4. Children, already explained this page, children. Once again repeat, children. See here. Some characteristics of living things are hidden in these pictures. To find them, from words with the first letter of each picture from left to right, children. See here, children, what is the first one? Mango, orange, van, eagle. Mango first letter M. Orange first letter O. Van first letter V. Eagle first letter E. M, O, V, E. Moo. This is a characteristic of living things. Right here, children, M, O, V, E. Moo. Second one. Globe, rat, owl. Whistle. Globe first letter G, rat first letter R, owl first letter double O, whistle first letter W. G R O W. Grow. G R O W. Grow. Characteristic of living thing. Next picture, children. Tulip. Flower. This is a flower. Elephant. Egg. Lion. F E E L. F E E L. Feel. Next, children. Dog. Ice cream. 8. Dog first letter D. Ice cream first letter I. 8 first letter E. D I E. Die. Okay, children. These are characteristics of living things. Next, children. Which living things reproduce in the way as shown in the picture? What this picture, children? See here. Baby plant. Living things reproduce. Tree reproduce. Baby plant. Right here. T R E E. Tree. T R E E. Tree. Next. Chick. Hen reproduce. Chick. H E N. Hen. H E N. Hen. Baby. Woman reproduce. Baby. Woman spelling W O M E N. Woman. W O M E N. Woman. Write neatly, children. Next page, children. 5th page. See here. Hammond's last year clothes are too tight for him now, whereas the old clothes of his sister's doll still fit it comfortable. Take the living things. See here, children. Hammond's sister doll. Doll is a non-living thing. Take the living things. Hammond living thing. Sister living thing. Tick here. Next exercise, children. Explain the following characteristics of living things briefly. Basic needs. All living things need food, water and air for their survival. Write, children, neatly. A-L-L all, finger gap. L-I-V-I-N-G living. T-H-I-N-G-S things. N-E-E-D need. F-O-O-D food, comma, W-A-T-E-R water, A-N-D and, A-I-R air, F-O-R for, T-H-E-I-R there, S-U-R-V-I-V-A-L survival. Full stop. All living things need food, water and air for their survival. Basic needs. This is a basic need. Next, children. Growth. All living things grow. Animals grow for a definite period of time, whereas plants grow throughout their life. A-L-L all, L-I-V-I-N-G-S livings, things grow. All living things grow. A-L-L all, L-I-V-I-N-G living, T-H-I-N-G-S things, G-R-O-W grow. All living things grow. Full stop. Animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S animals, G-R-O-W grow. F-O-R for A definite, definite period, 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 of time, whereas, whereas, plants, 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 grow, throughout, throughout, there, life, full stop, throughout, throughout, there, life. All living things grow. Animals grow for a definite period of time, whereas plants grow throughout their life. Ending full stop, children. Next, reproduction. All living things reproduce young ones of their own kind. All, living, things, things, reproduce, 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 young, ones, ones, of, kind, kind, ending full stop. All living things reproduce young ones of their own kind. Response. All living things can sense changes in their surroundings and respond to them. All, living, things, things, can, sense, changes, changes, in, there, surroundings, 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 and respond, them, ending full stop. All living things can sense changes in their surroundings and respond to them. Next, cells, children. Next, children, cells. All living things are made up of cells, which are not visible to the naked eye. All, living, things, made, of, cells, which, not, visible, the, naked, ending full stop. All living things are made up of cells which are not visible to the naked eye. Next, children, death. After a span of life, all living things die. Every plant and animal has its own lifespan. AFT or after, SPAN span, of, LIFE life, all, living, things, die. After a span of life, all living things die. EVERY, every PLANT plant, and ANIMAL animal, HS has ITS its, OWN LIFE life, SPAN span lifespan, ending full stop. Every plant and animal has its own lifespan. Children, if you have any doubts in this exercise, check once course book page number 6. Okay, children, write neatly. Turn the page, children. See here. Identify any two characteristics of the living things in this picture. Two characteristics of living things in this picture. First one, children, move. Animals move one place to another place they own. This is a characteristics of living thing. Right here, children, MOVE, move. MOVE, move. Next, children, animals need food. N-E-E-D, need, F-O-O-D, food. These are two characteristics of living things. Move, need, food. Next exercise, children. Describe the things in the picture with the help of the given keywords. Describe the things. Help of the given words. What is the help box? See here, children. Living, non-living, natural, man-made. See here. Sun, clouds, natural things. Tree, living thing. Bird and animal, squirrel, bird, tree are living things. Next, house, wood, thread, ring. These are non-living things and man-made things. Okay, children? Right here, children. See here, children. In this picture, plants and animals are living things. House, tire and thread are non-living things. The sun and clouds are natural non-living things. House is a man-made non-living thing because house made by man. The man built the house on the tree. This is a small and beautiful house. Right, children, neatly I-N-N, T-H-I-S, this. P-I-C-T-U-R-E, picture. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. And A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals. A-R-E-R, L-I-V-I-N-G, living. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Full stop. H-O-U-S-E, house. T-Y-R-E, tire. And T-H-R-E-A-D, thread. A-R-E-R, N-O-N, non, hyphen, L-I-V-I-N-G, living, T-H-I-N-G-S, things, full stop. T-H-E, the, S-E-N, sun, and C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds, A-R-E-R, N-A-T-U-R-A-L, natural, N-O-N, hyphen, L-I-V-I-N-G, living, T-H-I-N-G-S, things, full stop. H-O-U-S-E, house, I-S-E is A, M-A-N, man, hyphen, M-A-D-E, made, N-O-N, non, L-I-V-I-N-G, living, T-H-I-N-G, thing. House is a man-made non-living thing, B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because H-O-U-S-E, house, M-A-D-E, made, B-Y, by, M-A-N, man, full stop. T-H-E, the, M-A-N, man, B-U-I-L-D, build, T-H-E, the, H-O-U-S-E, house, O-N, on, T-H-E, the, T-R-E-E, tree. The man built the house on the tree. T-H-I-S, this, I-S-E is A, S-M-A-L-L, small, and B-E-A-U-T-I-F-E-L, beautiful, H-O-U-S-E, house, ending full stop. In this picture, plants and animals are living things. Tree, squirrel and bird, living thing. Living things. House, tire and thread are non-living things. The sun and clouds are natural non-living things. House is a man-made non-living thing because house made by man. The man built the house on the tree. This is a small and beautiful tree. Here write, children, tree, plants. Tree and animals are living things. Okay, children, write neatly. Next page, children. Make a list of the similarities and difference between plants and animals. Make a list of the similarities and difference between plants and animals. Similarities, children. Plants and animals need food, water and air for their survival. Plants and animals are grow, breathe, respond, reproduce and die. Plants and animals are made up of cells. These are similarities, children. Write neatly. Plants, plants, and ANIMALS, animals, NEED need, FOOD food, comma, WATER water, and AIR air, FR for, THEIR there, SURVIVAL survival. Full stop. Plants and animals need food, water and air for their survival. Second one. Plants, 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 and ANIMALS, animals, ARER, grow, comma, BREATHE, breathe, comma, RESPOND, respond, comma, REPRODUCE, 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 and DIE, die. Ending full stop. Third point, children. PLANTS, plants, and ANIMALS, animals, ARER, MADE, made, UP, up, OF, off, CELLS, cells. Ending full stop. Plants and animals are made up of cells. Next, differences, children. Plants are generally green in color. Animals of many colors. PLANTS, plants, ARER, GENERALLY, generally, GREN, green, IN, COLOUR, green in color. Ending full stop. Plants are generally green in color. Animals, 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 OF, MANY, many, COLOURS, colors. Animals of many colors. Next, plants make their own food. PLANTS, plants, MAKE, make, THEIR, their, OWN, own, FOD, food. Plants make their own food. Next, animals depend on others for food. ANIMALS, animals, DEPEND, depend, on, depend on, OTHERS, others, FOD, food. Animals depend on others for food. Ending full stop. Plants grow throughout life. PLANTS, plants, GROW, grow, THROUGHOUT, throughout, LIFE, life. Plants grow throughout life. Animals grow for a certain period. Animals, 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 GROW, grow, FR for a certain period, CERTAIN, certain period, PERIOD, ending full stop. Plants grow throughout life, animals grow for a certain period. Children, if you have any doubts, check one's course book, page number 7. Next exercise, children, matching. Match the following: living thing, natural non-living thing, man-made non-living thing from a living thing. Cement, milk, soil, tree. Here living thing, tree. Tree is a living thing. Right here D. Natural non-living thing. Soil. Soil is a natural non-living thing. Right here C. Man-made non-living thing. Cement. Cement is a man-made non-living thing. Right here A. Non-living thing from a living thing. Milk is a non-living thing from a living thing. Milk comes from a cow. Right here B. D, C, A, B. Okay, children? Okay, children? Write these exercises neatly. Thank you. I will meet in the next class.